Everyone, this is Joel with Cabal Construction. Today we're coming to another project of ours. This is a 3-level home. We have a sunroom here coming in onto the main entrance. We have a half bath to the side with some storage, toilet, vanity. We're nearing the final stages on this one. I want to show you guys this view here. Got the San Diego Zoo there off in the distance past those homes. Got to be careful here. But we're on the main floor, the top floor. Back in here. Got a kitchen with a center island, dishwasher, big sink, nice gold fixtures, fridge. You've got the microwave, the range, a lot of counter space, room for a dining table there. Let's go down to the second level. Gotta watch my step here. Since we're still working, we still have a lot of tools in the way. Tools and knickknacks. Here is one bedroom, but first let's take a left here. I'm gonna go to another bedroom. Got the water heater there, the furnace. Got one bedroom here. Ceiling fan, and this one's got its own little patio area. You have AstroTurf here, or synthetic turf. Central air. Working on the panel here a little bit. Over to that other bedroom we saw as we came in. This one's a bit smaller, but not too much. We're gonna have this closet there. Got ceiling fans. Here in San Diego, it doesn't get too hot that often. It does get above 90 every now and then. That's why we have the central air heating, the furnace. Here's another bath. Washer and dryer, probably gonna be stackable on here. Guys working hard. We got a shower. Looks like a double sink vanity there. We've got another smaller bedroom here. Nice view though. We've got this, well, not the same view, but the same direction as we did from the top floor. We've also got all the smoke detectors chirping. Got to replace those batteries. All right, let's go down this spiral staircase here. And this is the master bedroom. Got a pretty nice view as well. This will be a balcony here once it gets finished. Got the bedding already. A couple lights, fixtures, ceiling fan. Got a walk-in closet on this one. It's pretty big. Still have to put in all the closet, the actual closet. And we have a double vanity here as well. Nice big shower. Got a bench there. Moisture detection for the fan. Let's go out the other way. This place is like a maze. Down this door here. We're coming into the second level. Head it back up. So there you have it. So if you're in the San Diego area and thinking about an ADU, whether attached or detached, remodel, bath, kitchen, make sure to give us a call.